Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to force team colors in Rocket League. This will be a quick and easy guide on how to do it. So just before we do begin, make sure to leave a like on this video if you find this video helpful, and please subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. Now, the first thing you need to do is go into your settings. Here in your settings, go ahead and look for gameplay. Most likely it will be defaulted on the gameplay once you click on settings. So anyways, go ahead and scroll down until you see the section that says Force Team Colors. Sometimes it may show Force Default Team Colors, but go ahead and just put a check on it and take it on. It will be the same. So basically, some custom decals or goals may still look similar, but your card team colors will always match your team. Of course, it still works in online and offline matches, including private and local games. So you're all set. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you find this video helpful. Please do leave a like. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.